Main thing as a small business owner is to bring leads into your business. And that's all. That's all what you need to know. That's all what you need to focus on. My name is Vincent Hovorka and I'm your business coach. I'll help you to get your business to the next level. If you are only maybe one person in your business, maybe you are two people, I'll help you to scale it and systemize your business so you can grow it, become a business owner rather than just a business operator, which you are at the moment, maybe right now. And what's the difference? The difference is business operator is running like crazy and doing everything by himself. And I mean everything from, if like me, like editing video, social media posting, going and speaking with clients, closing clients, every single thing. If you are doing yourself, you are a business operator. Maybe if you have someone to help you and you are still doing a lot of things, it's the same thing. The important thing is, as a business owner, you want to be working on the business and not in the business. And I know from the start, you need to be working in the business. For example, I'm in my coaching business for 3 years, and for a very long time, for the past 2.5 years, it was just me. There was nobody else. But now I have some people to help me. I have a coach who is coaching some of our clients. My main focus is to bring those clients into our system, which means we need to bring new people and new traffic into our CRM system and take it from there. We are training someone to make a course. We did in the past, it didn't work out as I would want. This is the trial and error. And I'm also in those processes myself with my businesses. And I want you really to get that message very clearly, because sometimes we are forgetting about that. Sometimes we are trapped in that race and we are following with the same two people for the past 2 months, and we are figuring out why our business isn't growing. If you could bring 20% of more leads into your business, do you think you can increase your business by 20%? I think you can. Because if you have 20% of more people coming, you can close more people. You'll get more clients, more customers. So the main job as a business owner, you need to bring more leads. Yeah, but the question is how, Vincent? How can I bring more leads into my business? Because I'm doing everything. Let me tell you this. If you would be doing everything, you would be getting what you want. But no, it's not the case. Maybe you are doing 2 or 3 the same things all over again. Let me guess. It might be Facebook, it can be Instagram, maybe LinkedIn. But have you been thinking about another things what you can do? There is so many things. You are listening to this video on YouTube, you can do TikTok, and I'm speaking only about social media. You can go out there for networking events, you can get referrals, you can get affiliates, you can do word of mouth, you can just go and knock on the doors, you can buy leads. Recently I bought some leads on the Fiverr. I paid like £50 and I got a list of 500 leads for one of my businesses I'm developing. And now I'm contacting those people. There is so many ways how you can get leads. You can go live on social media. It's not only about making posts. Are you doing videos or just static posts? Are you speaking to people? Are you telling people to promote you for some referral fees? There is so many ways to get leads, and I know sometimes we are overwhelmed because there is so many options, and I get it. So maybe try 2-3 things, and if you see they are not working as much as you would want, change them and try 2 another 3 things. I'm testing Facebook ads for the past year and seeing how is it working, how many leads is it bringing. But maybe I'll test Google ads soon, maybe I'll test YouTube ads, I don't know. There is so many options, but you as a business owner, you need to be focusing on bringing those leads into your system. When the leads are coming, so after, yes, we need to focus on other things like creating those right systems. Who is dealing with your leads? Is it you? Is there someone else? How can we make this process better? Can we train those people better who are calling those leads? Who is closing them? Who's making those sales calls? How they are doing? What's the show up rate? For example, with our coaching business, I know the struggle what we had. We have lots of leads coming. Somebody phoned them and booked those calls. But when those calls were maybe not that week, maybe the week after, people would forget. Even they would get 2 email reminders, 2 SMS reminders, but still they wouldn't show up on the Zoom call, on this 1-hour free coaching call. And we were thinking like, why is that? Why is that happening? So basically struggling with the show up rate. And one more important message I want to share with you. This is very important. If you don't measure, you don't manage. You need to measure if you want to manage. So you need to measure how many leads are coming, how many calls are you doing, what's happening, how many people are showing up. From those people who show up, how many people are interested in your product or services, how many of those are you closing. From those people, how many referrals did you get? Also, did you upsell them something, or did they refer you to someone else? So many different options that you can measure. So what I want to really pass you in this video, focus on leads. Set yourself a new goal. I'll bring in the next month 20% of more leads into my business, and you will see what is going to start happening. But I know sometimes it's difficult to build that momentum, but you need to start somehow. So just pick one area which you are not doing currently. Maybe reach out to people, someone who you are not in the competition, but maybe someone who can help you. Collaborate with someone, shoot podcasts, get in touch with me. We can do maybe live video together, can help you to promote your business. Reach out to other people, whatever it is. Focus on bringing leads. When you're bringing more leads, you will have more business and your business will be booming. The next video, next week, I'll share with you what things you can do with this 20% of leads to increase your business by 100%. Yes, you are right. You need to focus only on 20% of more leads and your business can grow to 100%. 100%. So stay tuned and check out the next week video. Have a great evening and make sure to share with friends in business.